Hi, my name is John with Window Cleaning Solutions. I'm here today to take you on a tour, walk you through exactly what we'll do when we do a hurricane gutter cleaning on your home. We always try to use the same processes to make sure that you get the same result each time we're out, no matter who's there, and that's done right every time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to climb up in the gutter here and start moving some of the debris down onto this tarp. We always like to take the debris off site because a lot of times it contains a lot of pests and it's just kind of messy if we scatter it all over the yard. So we always collect it onto some sort of tarp, bundle it up, take it with us when we leave. Now I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to take you up, and I want to show you what the gutters look like before I touch them so that you know what's probably happening up in your gutters. Here we are up on the roof. Just wanted to show you exactly what these gutters look like. These actually aren't too bad. Most of this debris will come right out. You can see that there's some small pests that have started to invade this gutter and made it their home, and we find that quite a bit, and that's one of the main reasons why you want to make sure that it gets taken care of. And the other main reason is, I don't know if you can see down there, but that downspout is not completely clogged, but it's definitely not free flowing. And when that happens, the water wants to go right up under here and push up underneath the roof and under the flashing, and you can almost see the little bit of wood that's starting to rot from when this gutter was not clean from before. So that's the main reason why you should definitely get your gutters cleaned at least once a year, and the best time is just before hurricane season. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to clean the gutters. So what we use is we use a cleaning tool on a pole, and we lean the ladder up against the side of the house, and we'll climb up on the ladder, and this tool allows us to scrape the majority of the gutter from one spot. So what I'm going to do is start to move some of this debris down, and then you flip the tool around with this way with the hook on the bottom, and you kind of push it underneath the rungs, and I'll show you a close-up in just a minute of how that happens. So once we collect enough of the gutter material, we go ahead and dig it out of the gutter by hand, and then we go ahead and throw it down and catch it on the tarp. And this way there's no mess, no fuss, all the bugs, all the debris, all the soil. There's actually soil that builds up in the gutter from the decaying leaves and other matter. So that's pretty much how we clean it. Now I'm going to show you a close-up of exactly what it looks like inside the gutter when we're using the tool, and what the gutter looks like once we're finished. So here we are. This is the gutter that I was just cleaning. So you can see I've started to get some of the debris out, but what we're able to do with this tool is actually scrape that remaining debris right out of the bottom there, and then whatever's left over is small enough that it will basically get flushed out with our flushing process. All right, the gutter's all been cleaned out, and we've got the hose up there, and we're running our downspout flush test. So you can see over here, this downspout, if I pan down, is flowing quite freely, and that's what we look for, just to make sure that everything's working properly, so that when the hurricane does come, the water flows like this, and basically we just have our super jet nozzle put up into the gutter, and if there's any clogs, we'll go ahead and remove the clogs and just make sure that your downspouts are very quickly and freely allowing the water to get away from your home as fast as possible. All right, gonna go ahead and give you a shot here where you can see inside of the gutter has been cleaned. You'll notice a little bit right there, there's a little bit of mold and mildew. We do offer removal of mold and mildew as well, but that is included in our house wash packages. So ask us about our house wash and mold and removal packages. But I'm just showing you what is included in our standard gutter cleaning package. You can see that the gutter has been all the debris has been completely removed and flushed, and the downspout is perfectly clear.